Just a 1-minute walk from Ningyocho station on the Tokyo Metro Hibiya line. A long line forms even before opening time at Tamahide, the legendary restaurant known as the birthplace of Oyakodon. Oyakodon is a Japanese rice ball dish topped with simmered chicken, onions, and softly cooked eggs seasoned with soy sauce, dashi, and mirin, which is a sweet Japanese rice wine. Renovation work began in 2022, and this November, the restaurant finally reopened after 3.5 years. After waiting in line for 20 minutes, we finally stepped inside and placed our order right at the register. There are 4 types of oyakodon on the menu. We chose the shamo-filled oyakodon. Once you pay, you receive a wooden tag that serves as your meal ticket. First to arrive is a bowl of soup with chicken meatballs and some pickles. Then the oyakodon appears in a round, egg-shaped bowl, complete with the raw egg on the side. When you lift the lid, the gleaming golden eggs and tender pieces of chicken instantly makes your mouth water. Tamahide uses Tokyo Shamo, a breed descended from the game fowl raised since the Edo period. And aside from the rice, every ingredient from mirin to soy sauce is an original Tamahide creation. This carefully crafted bowl of oyakodon is absolutely worth the wait. Don't miss the next episode. And please subscribe to our channel.